Garage door opener remote signals often get blocked by metal stuff or interference, making it super frustrating when your door won't budge. So, first, try moving your remote to a different spot when you're about to open the door. Sometimes just shifting it a little away from metal objects like keychains or your phone can totally clear up the signal. If you're inside your car, avoid placing the remote near the dashboard or metal parts because that can mess with the signal too. Also, check if there are any wireless gadgets nearby that might be causing interference, like baby monitors or cordless phones, and try turning those off or moving away from them. When you press the button, aim the remote directly at the garage door sensor. It really helps. If your garage door opener uses batteries, swapping them out every now and then keeps the signal strong. And if you're still having trouble, try reprogramming your remote to sync better with your opener. Lastly, keep in mind that thick walls or metal doors themselves can block signals, so standing a bit outside the garage might make things easier. One of the biggest issues with garage door opener remotes is ignoring signal interference from metal objects, which blocks the remote's signal. Just repositioning the remote away from keys or phones fixes this fast. Another common mistake is not checking for wireless interference. Stuff like baby monitors or routers can mess with the connection, so switching those off or moving around them helps a lot. A third problem is weak batteries in the remote. If you don't replace them regularly, the signal gets weak and unreliable, so swapping batteries every 6 months or so keeps things smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid site that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for any home improvement job. It also makes it easier for contractors to get reliable work by connecting them with people who need their skills.